Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to open a trade booth in It. So in this new update, It added a brand new trading feature where you can trade items using special trade tokens. First, just go to the Fisherman Island like this. And then next, just find the portal that you portal to go to Trade Plaza, this one, and then just teleport like this, and then you will be moved into a new server and enter the Trade Plaza like this. Like this. You'll be taken to the new server, Trade Plaza, and then after that, if you want to open your own booth, it's super easy. Just find an empty booth and claim it. For example, I want to choose this one, and then just claim it like this, and then just edit the booth. Just settings up the items that you want to sell over here. For example, maybe I want to choose this one, and then next just give a price to your fish. In here you can also sell the fishing rods, boots, charms, baits, and even lanterns. Next, just adjust the price. For example, maybe I want to sell it 5 tokens like this, and then just tap on sell items like this, and then your booth will look like this. And the best part is, if other players buy your items, you will earn 3 tokens over here. This one, it shows at the bottom left corner, this one. And in here, you can actually get free trade tokens without needing to buy them without Robux. And then later, you can use those tokens to buy items from the other players. This one, if you have a tokens, you can buy the items from another booth. And okay, that's it, basically it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.